Welcome back to Video Email Basics. We're going to cover a bonus here, workflows. So I'm going to put my consultation hat on, and we're going to talk about the actual workflow and knowledge transfer, actually replicating our process, documenting our process, and making sure that not only can we do it again, but if we had to hire or assign someone to do it for us, whether or not it's a full-time employee or a contractor or an outside consultant or someone from Fiverr or Upwork or something like that, we can clearly give them a plan or a vision or a process to execute, and they could do that whether they're a graphic designer or they're an email marketer or they're a landing page developer. They know where they fit in the process, and they can duplicate it to our satisfaction. So for instance, we want to start in actually sending the email. So we're sending the email now. So we're sending the email to the recipient, and then they read that engaging subject line that we talked about, and they open the email. And so from there, we're looking at the body of the email, and so they would then watch the actual video. And so watching that video, whether it's embedded in our email or whether or not they click on it and it reroutes them to our landing page, they're engaged there. And so it's concise, it's engaging, it's short, it has an interesting hook immediately, and then it clearly gives them a call to action or a specific set of instructions to engage the offer that we're offering and take action on it. So if it's an embedded email, they'll go ahead and click on the button in the body. And so we talked about how our button actions are very clear. Click here to claim, click here to make a phone call, click here to send an email, click here to schedule an appointment, click here to claim the offer. And then we talked about our button actions, whether or not it takes them to a landing page. We need to ensure that that landing page delivers on that promise. So they watch the video. If it's embedded, they click on the button. If it reroutes them to a particular landing page, that on that landing page, they don't have to do one or two or three other things to get act on the instructions that we've given them. They're able to receive gratification nearly immediately when they provide us with some additional information. So info capture, whether they're filling out a form or scheduling an appointment on our calendar or downloading a PDF, whatever the case is, that we're fulfilling that promise that we made in the email, in our video, in the body text of our email, where we explain what's in it for them, what we're going to do, what our offer is, and why they should take advantage of it. So just to recap, they receive the email, they see the engaging subject line, so they open it. After they open the email, they click on our embedded video. If we have an engaging thumbnail or an attractive photo, they click on it, and they're either rerouted to another landing page, or they see our hook, they see our engaging video, and they click on a button that takes them to the landing page, or they read the additional body text, which further convinces them. They take action, and then they fill out the information necessary to obtain the offer that we're offering and claim it. So this is a great resource. Obviously, it's very clear, very transparent, very simple, a great page holder and a reminder for where your particular employees, whether they're W-2s or they're contractors that are working on your behalf or that you brought in, or you yourself. It's a great way to kind of keep track of what's going on. And these, to be clear, you should have one of these for every one of your processes. This creates clear instructions, clear standard operating procedures, and you never have to guess. In terms of knowledge transfer, training, and things of that sort, it makes it really, really easy. So you can obtain this, or you can get a hold of this at learn.kutkonnect.co in our free email video course, or you can go to www.kutkonnect.com and also get access to this and other resources there. I appreciate the fact that you've stuck with us this long. I hope this has an incredible amount of value for you. And again, we wish you all the best.